Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. And another overall nice day. Now, it wasn't nearly as explosive as what it was on Wednesday, but still the price maintained its gains. And what do I mean by that? Well, and this will mean a little bit more those that have traded for a while, but I'm sure if you have, then you've seen stocks that make great moves, and then the next day the price just totally collapses and goes right back to where it was. And, you know, this doesn't happen all the time, of course, but like I said, if you've traded long enough, you've seen plenty of those where something bounces, and then it's what we would call a dead cat bounce, where the price just rolls right back over, and that's, you know, all she wrote. But in this situation, sure, it's not like the price continued to explode upwards, but the price, after a pullback this morning, ultimately did maintain itself, and that's a good little sign of strength in and of itself. So the key level to watch continuing going forward is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Right now, that's valued at $1.50. But at $1.50, it's not like that's a must-hold level. So if the price were to drop low there, it's not like everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But that would certainly, you know, be the preferable level, where if the price does stay up above that area, that would be best-case scenario going forward. But if it doesn't hold up, then you still do have this green level down here at $1.37. But I'm not going to go through the importance of why $1.30 is so important. If you're curious on why that level, you can just go back and watch the video from October 2nd in the archives, and I explain more of there. But given the price isn't even close to that level, you know, I don't want to spend any time, talking about it. So again, from a support standpoint, preferable, yeah, stay above $1.50. But if that doesn't hold up, then you still do have $1.37, which I would definitely consider more of that must-hold level. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, update's probably not the right word. More so confirmation would be an accurate term, because the price came up here and the power of charts got rejected right up there around that $1.70 mark, which is what I was talking about on Wednesday. So $1.70 confirmed as that area of resistance. So continue to watch that going forward. But again, the big thing that, you know, really stood out to me was that the price is still hanging on to where it was, and actually a little bit higher after such a big move. And, you know, as you trade more and more, you'll grow more and more to have an appreciation towards that, because sometimes, you know, there's some vicious dead cat bounces out there. But that's, as of right now at least, the gains are maintaining themselves. So looking like it'll be an interesting way to close out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.